Are you really obsessed with taking pictures of your plants? Did you know you can make your own t-shirt under $10? Let me show you how. Download this app. It's called Background Eraser Photo Editor, where you can auto remove or manually remove the background on your favorite photo. By removing the background, it will make your photos more clean and professionally done. Arrange all your photos to create a 10 by 15 inches transparent PNG file. Go on Etsy at Destino Store and order this direct transfer to film sticker using the PNG files that you created. Upon receiving the stickers in a couple days, make sure you read the instruction on how to transfer this sticker on your own favorite t-shirt. I remeasured just to make sure the sticker is exactly the size that I ordered. Now, pick your own favorite t-shirt and make sure it is clean from any lint or dirt. Iron the t-shirt to keep it warm. Carefully place your sticker on top of your t-shirt. What I did was I cut the shape of the stickers to make sure it is easier for me to peel off. Iron the stickers for approximately 25 seconds and make sure you push firmly on the whole surface of the sticker. Gently pull the plastic cover to make sure the sticker is completely attached to your t-shirt. Use a parchment paper and re-iron the top part of the sticker for 20 seconds. Here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe to my channel to see more DIY videos. Thanks for watching.